In front of me is DOOGEE Fire 7, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password in Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on this section called Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Then choose Open under Google. Hit Google Password Manager and finally select any password you wanna edit. Enter your screen lock. Hit Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you finished, to save your changes, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!